My son's Toyota Prius has some paint damage on the side. I'll show you the damage and talk about like places that I researched to get the repairs. So I'm just showing the damage on this Toyota Prius. So it's got some paint damage here, here, and then across the trim here, all the way here. And then there's some down here, over here, on the back, and then down here, and then back here. So I found this place, Revive Auto Center. They are located near 7th Street and Dunlap in Arizona. This place wanted to charge me over $10,000 to do the repairs. They made it sound like the damage was too difficult to repair and the paint would not be easy to find. They didn't give me a good feeling, so I decided to find another location that would give me a reasonable price and had good reviews. So I found this place called AZ Auto Repair and Body. They got 82 reviews and 5 stars. And they are located near 29th Avenue and Van Buren. So they quoted me $1,300 to do the repairs. That is a much better price than $10,000 the other place quoted me. So I'm going with them and then I'll show you the results. So this is how the car looks after the repairs, and it looks perfect. Everything looks really good. So yeah, they did a really good job, repairing all the damage and getting the paint to match. So yeah, very good job that they did. So if you ever have car damage that needs repaired, it's good to shop around, and if the price sounds crazy, it probably is. So always find someone with a cheaper price and check the reviews.
Hey.